Hello students, this is second video for road safety syllabus of compulsory environment education paper for undergraduate classes of Punjab University, Chandigarh. Here we will talk about road signs and signals. These are of three types: mandatory road signs, cautionary road signs, and informatory road signs. I have taken this material from Ministry of Road Transport and Highways website. Before one get ready to drive for the very first time on the road, one need to learn the rules of the road. The road signs and marking help the road users to follow the rules and should be mastered before venturing on the road. They also serve a guide, inform and caution as control devices for traffic. Signs need full attention, respect and the driver's appropriate response. The road signs we see around us date long back in the history. The earliest road signs were milestones giving distance or direction. The Romans erected stone columns throughout their empire, giving the distance to the Rome. In the Middle Age, multi-directional signs at intersections became common, giving directions to cities and towns. Since roads do not see borders and boundaries, and road safety being a universal concern, it was decided to have a common language for road signs. It was recognized that international uniformity of road signs, signals, and symbols is necessary to facilitate transboundary international road traffic and road safety. So we will talk about all these signs and signals. You might have seen that pictorial signs on the road. These are used as symbols in place of words to allow the comprehension independent of the language of the region and are usually as a result of international standards. So basic scheme adopted for road signs. It shows Article 5 of Chapter 2 of Convention on Road Signs and Signals, held on 8th of November 1968, lays down the classes of road signs which were broadly categorized into danger warning signs, regulatory signs, and the informatory signs. These are the three basic type of traffic signs that give orders, signs that warns, and signs that give information. Each type has a different shape. Circles give orders, triangle warn, and rectangle inform. So Article 6 of Chapter 2 primarily spells the modalities for erection of road signs. It has provided that signs shall be so placed that the drivers for whom they are intended can recognize them easily and in the time. The location and manner of placing these signs have been described at length. सो ये गोलाकार है और ये त्रिकोण है और ये रेक्टेंगल है, ये जैसे कि आपको अभी बताया गया है. एंड a further guide to the function of a sign is its color. Blue circle give a mandatory instruction such as compulsory turn left, etc. And these rectangles give information. These are also blue in color. There are few exceptions to the shape and color rules to give certain signs a greater prominence, like ruko, stop. You might have seen this sign. It's octagon. And give way, mark de. It is a triangle and red in color. So first we will talk about mandatory road signs, signs that are obligatory on the traffic which uses a specific hour of road. These signs indicate what must one do rather than must not do. Mandatory road signs are generally round in shape and then with the red border, and some of them are blue in color. Stop at give way are octagon and triangular respectively in shape. Violation of these signs attract heavy fines and punishment. That's why these are called mandatory signs. We will talk about them one by one. First is Rukiye, stop. This is one of the most important and prominent road signs. It indicates that the driver should immediately stop. Usually police, traffic and toll authorities use this sign at checkpost. Second is give way, rasta dijiye. This sign is used at roundabouts where the specific lane discipline is to be followed. This sign directs the traffic to give way to fellow traffic on your right side. Remember, on your right side. And next is Pravesh Nishedh hai, no entry. This sign notifies that entry is prohibited for all vehicles. And next is आने वाले यातायात को प्राथमिकता दें, priority for the oncoming traffic. This sign at the entrance of the road indicate the priority should be given to the oncoming traffic. At narrow section of the road where passing is difficult or impossible, traffic is regulated by preferable movement. Next is that all motor vehicle are prohibited. सभी मोटर वाहनों का आना मना है. This is used to decongest the area. It is also used at pedestrian areas also. So this is trucks are prohibited. ट्रकों का आना मना है. And bullock and handcart prohibited. बैलगाड़ी और हाथ ठेलों का आना मना है. Indicate that road has been prohibited for plying of all this type of, and slow moving cart many a time hinder the smooth flow of traffic. That's why this signs have been installed somewhere. बैलगाड़ियों का आना मना है. And this sign, टांगों का आना मना है. Tongas are prohibited. This show हाथ टेलों का hand cart is prohibited. Cycle का आना मना है. Cycles are prohibited in order to ensure the safety of the cyclist. Certain road signs which are meant for the fast moving vehicles are prohibited for the cyclist. पदयात्रियों का आना मना है. Pedestrians are prohibited. Means restrict the movement of pedestrian on the road or the adjoining area. This could be lane for fast moving vehicles, highways, etc. This is दाएं मुड़ना मना है. Right turn is prohibited. This sign indicate that left turn is prohibited. And this indicate U-turn is prohibited. Means वापस मुड़ना मना है. This is overtaking is prohibited. आगे निकलना मना है. With the advancement of highways and automobile technology, speed of vehicles has increased. With this, overtaking has become very crucial on the road. Places where the roads are narrow, at bridge, at turns, overtaking becomes dangerous at these places. This sign is installed which should prohibit overtaking, ensuring the safety of the vehicle and other persons on the road. Horn bajana mana hai. Horn is prohibited. Especially you might have seen near the hospitals and school, this type of signal is there. Chodai width limit is 2 meters. Sign indicates the width of the vehicle which allowed to enter the zone beyond it. The vehicles with width above 2 meters is restricted to enter this zone. It could be a bridge or a narrow lane. And this height limit, sudden roads which pass under the bridges, railway lines, etc., are of low height. So this height is given. Length limit, lambai ki seema. On road indicate that the length of the vehicle which can be maneuvered through the passage. It could be a sharp turn, a hairpin bend, etc. This is about the bhar seema, load limit. This sign limits the load of the vehicle which could ply on the road further. Indicate that the vehicle weighing more than 5 tons cannot use the road further, as there may be a bridge which cannot bear the weight beyond the 5 ton on the road. This is axle load limit, axle bhar seema, installed before a bridge, indicate the load that a bridge can bear. This is speed limit. 50 is written, speed limit. The limit specified must be invariably followed to avoid the penal action and crashes on the road. This is gaadi khadi karna mana hai. No parking. Very significant in major cities. It prohibits the parking of a vehicle in the designated area. Any vehicle parked here is towed away and the occupant or driver is liable to penal action. Therefore, drivers should park their vehicle in the authorized parking area only. No stopping or standing. गाड़ी खड़ी करना या रोकना मना है. Some roads demand continuous flow of traffic, and stopping of one vehicle disrupts the whole traffic flow. At this area, no stopping signs are installed. Compulsory turn left and the right if the symbol is reversed. Compulsory ahead is ahead only, and compulsory turn right ahead, left if the symbol is reversed. And here आगे चलना या दाएं मुड़ना अनिवार्य है. Compulsory ahead or turn right. This is आगे चलना या बाएं मुड़ना अनिवार्य है. This is compulsory. Keep left. बाहें रहकर ही चलें. The sign indicates that the driver should drive in left lane for smooth traffic flow. This sign is installed mainly on the roads which do not have divider in between and two-way traffic flow on the same road. Compulsory cycle track. And this is compulsory sound horn. There are some conditions when blowing horn becomes compulsory. While maneuvering a blind turn, especially in hilly roads, blowing horn before turn is one of the safety measures. Whenever you see this sign, blow horn to let oncoming traffic know your presence on the road. Compulsory minimum speed. Vehicle using the road at the entrance to which the sign is placed shall travel at a specified speed. It must be invariably followed to avoid penal action and crash on the road. रोक समाप्ति चिन्ह. Restriction end here. Any restriction conveyed through sign on road ends here. This sign shows indicate that the restriction imposed by the sign is no more valid beyond this point. However, drivers should not be complacent and take care of all safety measures to avoid the crashes. Now, here we have the cautionary road signs. सचेतक सड़क चिन्ह जो हमें एक परिस्थितियों के बारे में जानकारी देने के लिए होते हैं. These are meant to caution the driver about the hazards or situation lying ahead on the road. The driver should obey this for his safety. The violation of these road signs do not attract any legal action. They are very important for fact that avoiding them could result in major crashes. Cautionary signs are triangular in shape with red border. You can see, we will take them one by one. First cautionary sign is right hand curve. It shows that dahina mode. Left hand curve, right hairpin bend. Hairpin bend are the sharp turns, especially on hilly roads. Left hairpin bend, right reverse bend, left reverse bend, steep ascent, खड़ी चढ़ाई, सीधी ढलान, steep descent. आगे रास्ता संकरा है, narrow road ahead. When the width of the road decreases and the road merges into a narrow road, there is a possibility that a speeding vehicle may collide with oncoming traffic. So, आगे रास्ता चौड़ा है signifies that the road ahead is wide. The width of the road widens after the sign and thus traffic should adjust accordingly. Sankara Pul, narrow bridge. Sometimes road converges to a bridge which is less width than that of the road. It is erected before such bridges such are narrower than the road. The driver should reduce the speed and watch for the oncoming traffic for safe drive. Fislan bhari sadak indicate the slippery condition of the road. The condition could be due to seepage of water or oil spill, etc. Loose gravel, बिखरी हुई बजरी, usually erected on hilly roads. Cycle crossing, pedestrian crossing. It is a kind of traffic. The sign caution the driver to either slow down or stop the vehicle and allow the pedestrian to cross the road. जो भी पैदल चल रहे हैं, पदयात्री हैं, उनको रास्ता दें. The part of the road is also demarcated in white strips known as the zebra crossing. At zebra crossing, the pedestrian has first right on the road. सबसे पहले पदयात्रियों का उस पर हक होता है, आपको वहां गाड़ी रोकनी है और स्लो डाउन करना। आगे स्कूल है, ये चिन्ह बताता है स्कूल ही ahead. The next is traffic signal. This sign on road indicate that this road is regulated by 3 color light signals, as driver may not expect such section on some road. It indicates pashu or cattle, that there is great possibility of cattle straying on the road, and you all know that they may cause major crash and as they react unpredictably. Noka or ferry. Sometimes roads are intersected by the river without the provision of the bridge. These roads are connected through ferry services. This sign indicates पत्थर लुढ़कने की संभावना है. Falling rocks. In hilly roads and rocks fall on road during landslide in extreme climates. So this type of sign is installed. खतरनाक गहराई, dangerous depth. It cautions that there's a dip on the road ahead. The sign helps the driver to reduce the speed to cross the road. Hump on a rough road. उभार या उबड़ खाबड़ सड़क. आगे अवरोध है, बैरियर अहेड. Many times you pass through the toll collection or check post, then this type of signs are installed. मध्य पट्टी में अंतर, gap in the median, indicate there is a gap in the divider of a road and there is the provision of U-turn. The driver should slow and take relevant lane to avoid any crash. This show Choraha, crossroad. The sign indicates that there is a crossing of the road ahead. The sign indicates that the vehicles should be slowed and the intersection should be crossed cautiously by looking on both the sides. बाईं और पार्श side road left. Okay, दाहिनी और पार्श सड़क side road right belongs to family give way signs. बाई सड़क संगम Y intersection. Caution about the actual formation of road ahead. Y intersection. This road caution about the actual formation of road ahead. The road is divided into two in the shape of the Y. T intersection. Caution about there is T intersection and there was no forward movement. Traffic has either turn left or right. Help the driver in planning his movement. This is staggered intersection. Indicate there is a left or right turn available on the straight road. And this is roundabout. This is for roundabout. Is a substitute of a road is intersection. It allows the smooth flow of traffic without the aid of traffic light mostly. This shows guarded level crossing. Rakshit Sampar crossing. Many of time road intersect the railway line. Railway line is shown here. The sign indicates that there is a railway crossing which is guarded by a person. The driver should take extra precautions and act accordingly. Single or double red strips indicate that the crossing is 100 meters or 200 meters respectively. This shows Manav Rahit Sampar, unguarded level crossing. The sign indicates there is a railway crossing which is not manned by personnel. This unguarded railway crossing has to be crossed by driver himself very cautiously after ensuring that there is no train on the track nearby. Single or double red stripe indicate that the crossing is at 100 meter or 200 meter respectively. This shows घाट या नदी का किनारा, the river bank. आदमी काम कर रहा है, man is at work. The third signs are informatory road sign. इन चिन्हों का उद्देश्य है कि सड़क के प्रयोगकर्ताओं को दिशा, गंतव्य स्थान के बारे में बताना. Providing the information on direction, destination and road sign facilities etc. to the road user. These help the driver in saving the time, reaching destination without wandering around. These are generally facilitator to the driver and are normally blue in color. These may have direction, arrow, and also the distance of facility from sign. You might have seen these are rectangle. In rectangular, this type of board, they give advanced direction sign. is the direction of various destinations falling on that particular road. It give advanced destination sign on rotary intersection, गोल चक्कर पर चौराहे पे बताना कि किस तरफ हमें जाना है. एडवांस डायरेक्शन साइंस विद डिस्टेंस कि चंडीगढ़ 25 किलोमीटर है, शिमला 105 है. And it gives a direction sign where to go for Nagpur. It gave confirmatory sign. Yes, assure that driver she is on right path. And this is Mumbai give place destination, that this is place destination. It tells about the petrol pump is nearby. It tells the hospital is nearby. And this eatery is Bhojan Sthan is 500 meter. Light refreshment is nearby. Resting place is there. Okay, hospital and first aid is there. Eating place. This bus stop is near, railway station is near, and public telephone is nearby. This signal shows the tunnel is ahead. Sometimes also indicate the name and length of the tunnel. Pedestrian subway is there, Paidal Path subway. And this sign shows that park both the side, दोनों दिशाओं में गाड़ी खड़ी करने की जगह है. Parking sign indicate the places where the parking of the vehicle is authorized for particular type. And parking lot for cycle, parking lot for rickshaw, and parking lot for taxis, parking lot for auto rickshaws, parking lot for motorcycles. Okay, so this is all about road signs and signal. I hope that going through this complete summary would help us become more responsible and road friendly while using the road. In next video, we will talk about how to obtain driving lessons and common driving mistakes. Thank you so much.